This GCSE Physics revision guide and helpfully help you revise as well as help me. In this video I will do part 1 of 8 sections of Gateway GCSE Science Revision P1 Energy from the Home. In this video I will do section 1 Heating Houses and then follow on with another 7 videos of P1. New GCSE Physics Revision Gateway B P1 Energy Flow. Energy in the form of heat flows from a warmer object from a warmer body to a cooler body. So energy in form of heat flows from a warmer body to cooler body. When energy flows away from a warmer body, so when energy flows away from a warmer object, the temperature of the object decreases. When energy flows away from warmer object, temperature of the object decreases. So, energy in the form of heat flows from a warmer to a cooler body. When energy flows away from a warmer object, the temperature of the object decreases. Right, measuring temperature. So, a thermogram uses colour. So, a thermogram uses colour to show temperature. Hottest areas are white / yellow. Coldest are black / dark blue / purple. Temperature is a measurement of hotness on an arbitrary scale. So this is the definition. On an arbitrary scale. You do not need to use a thermogram. It allows one object to be compared to another. So it allows one object to be compared to another, and you do not need to use a thermogram. When the temperature of the body increases, the average kinetic energy of particles increases. Heat is a measurement of internal energy on an absolute scale. On an absolute scale. Specific heat capacity. Is the next section. So, all substances have a property called specific heat capacity. The energy needed to raise the temperature of 1 kilogram by 1 Celsius. This is the definition. By 1 Celsius. This is measured in joules. And so it's measured in joules per kilogram. So per kg. Oops, sorry. This is measured in joules per kilogram degrees Celsius. Which is J per kg C. And differs for each different material. The equation is energy transferred equals mass times specific heat capacity times temperature change. Times specific heat capacity times temperature change. Next is specific latent heat. Specific latent heat is the energy needed to boil 1 kilogram of a material. One kilogram of a material. It is measured in joules per kilogram, so measured in J per kg, and differs for different materials. And each of the changes of state. When an object is heated and it changes state, energy is transferred, but the temperature remains constant. So when an object is heated and it changes state, energy is transferred, but the temperature remains constant. The equation is energy transferred equals mass times specific latent heat. Equals mass times specific latent heat. Last part of this section is when a substance changes state, energy is needed to break bonds. Bonds that hold the molecules together. This explains why there is no change in temperature. Thank you for watching. Please watch my next video shortly.